Want to know how to become too laggy to hit in Paladins? Laggy as not in Wi-Fi, but laggy as in a trick. So in this video, I'm going to give you some tricks and some explanations on how you can do it. So let's get straight to it. Now, first things first, here you need to know that it's not a AD keyboard spam. It's an incorporating crouches, sudden stops, and unpredictable movement changes that break the enemy's aim assist and muscle memory, move into sorts, and then suddenly halt. Stop dodging predictably. The secret is to be uncomfortable to track. Crouch mid-duel, walk forward instead of backward, and break the rhythm every sniper and blaster player relies on. The movement should feel glitchy. This way, it should show laggy and you should be easily able to dodge. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.